I think with the introduction of Annex 1, the future of environmental monitoring might change a little bit, only because everyone is trying to be compliant with the requirements. In some ways, it's a good thing because people will be more aware about the things that they need to do in terms of making sure that they are compliant to the regulatory requirements. But that also gives us better assurance in the sense that, the end users will know they're getting good products manufactured in a suitable environment that's clean, that's safe. Then you can ensure that your products are actually safe, good quality, and is efficacious. I also think that with the introduction of Annex 1 and the future of environmental monitoring will change slightly because people will start looking at regulatory requirement, and they will start looking at how the prepared media that they use or how they actually conduct their environmental monitoring fits both the processes that they're actually doing, plus it needs to be compliant to the regulatory requirement. So there will be potentially more requirements for bespoke products in terms of different types of packaging, different types of media type, if they're looking for specific microorganisms, for example, or if they're doing specific testing, they were going to require specific types of products, which can come in various different forms. With Annex 1, there is a lot of emphasis on continuous monitoring because people are trying to get more information about trending. So it's not just specific time points like some traditional methods of environmental monitoring will give you. So having continuous monitoring, giving you a rapid real-time response will actually be quite useful because people can then do corrective actions before it's too late. So they can, if for example, they've got a system that gives them an instantaneous information to say a system's been compromised, that there's a potential contamination risk, they can stop the process, they can rectify what was actually going on first, clean the area, and then restart again, because then that's going to reduce the potential of holdups when you cannot have products released because you don't have the data, or you're waiting for a longer period of time before you actually get the results.